So, hi guys, so today we're gonna conduct our interview. So, I'm here with
Sharon
and I'm Clarence. So, are you ready guys? So, let's go na! Let's go!
Is it okay if mo career mo share me something about our program? Magkuhan na ta, ma-introduce na sa mga non-psych students. So, this is a great fit to that.
I will ask you some basic questions about psychology. Are you ready? Alright. So the first question, like for you, what is psychology and what is not?
For me, psychology is the study on how people think, feel, and behave. So, by studying psychology, mas makasabot ka kung anong ingana ang religion sa tao, anong ingana siya mo.
Yes, tama. That's your idea. So, psychology is the study of how people think, feel, and behave. It helps us understand their behavior and how their mind works. It is the scientific study of mind. So, psychology is not mind reading, okay? It is a study of our mind. Dili siya merely mind reading. Kaya wala may superpowers ang mga psychology student. So, ano siya? Like, mag-study niya sa behavior o sa mental processes sa isang katao.
So, nakanoon na ba ka nga, mamasahay with mga side?
No, we're not like that. Hindi ba may mga superhero? Like, wala may superpowers. Second is, what are the major goals of the psychology man para din?
So, ang major goal sa psychology mo is makatabang siya sa tao, makakatang mga dili, makabawas sa ilang mga ibang pati. So, by psychology, okay. Naman ko by point, but sa bukundok na mo, we have 4 major goals of psychology. It is to describe, explain, predict, and control behavior. Describe is describing mo what's happening, and explain why is it happening. Then predict mo what might happen first, and control or change behavior. How can we improve or guide it? That's one.
Okay, the third question for you, like, sure ko, like, dili mostly ka ng tao na idea na, pero tama lang naman kami, kaya basta na kayo idea. So, what are the major branches of the psychology natin? Basta na kayo idea mo kasi mga major branches sa psychology. Naay yung maka-branches of psychology. Ang first one, analyze ka na, mostly yun na ito matunggan or like, ka na ma-encounter na ito. Kani ang clinical psychology. Kani sila, muli ang mo-deal sa mga mental health problems. Sabot naman siguro tago sa mental health problems, diba? So, kani sila mga psychology, na sila ang mo-deal ang mga problem. Depression, anxiety, sila ang mga mo-deal na. And the second one is in developmental psychology. It is the studies of how people grow from childhood to adulthood. Kani sila mga psychology, ilang i-studyhan po mga level and stages sa isa katao from the childhood hanggang sa nidako sila. The third one is the cognitive psychology. It focuses on how we think, remember, and learn. So the fourth one is the social psychology. It studies how people behave in groups or other people. Kani nga mga psychology ilang istudihan ko, ngano ingana ang mag-behave, ngano ingana ang behavior sa isa katao within that certain group or anak nga areas or anak nga tapo, ngano ingana sila mag-behave. The last is the industrial or the organizational psychology. Used in workplaces to improve performance and environment. So, napakayo like questions or gusto kang hirawaan ng psychology. Mag-gets na makanin namin ito. Thank you kayo sa inyong time.
Thank you so much.
Sa mga
Thank you. See you around.
Pwede na lang masama parehit ng yun. At first of all, pwede na matanagan sa course mo yan? IT. IT, okay. Good. we are psychology students and we are um, applying an interview para sa amo ang performance test. So, this is all about psychology. So, when we say psychology, what comes to your mind? Mental. So, correct, Anna. So, psychology is a study of the scientific study of the human mind and its processes. So, narami mga questions. First of all, sabi pangalan mo yan?
James.
And IT, di ba? IT first year. Perhara data. So, first question. How do you think psychology is used in daily life?
Psychology is used in daily life sa mga choices mo. Every choices sa imong kinabuhi is important.
Yes, sakto. You're correct. That's one, decision making, guys. And we need to understand how our brain works or how we make decisions in life. Kung na pa siya tulo ka buong uses, general uses ng word. For example, the school learning and memory. We use techniques and other ways para maka-learn tayo sa school. For example, chunking. That's a way to study man. Napaisa, stress management. Ikaw, stress ka rin. So, di na ito mapadala ito itong mga ibang debate, diba?
Agree?
Okay.
Finance na.
Okay. So, that's one pod, stress management na pa isa. Improving habits. Okay. Psychology can, one of goals of psychology man pod kayo to manage your mental health, your mental capabilities para ma-improve ang inyong mga things na gusto niyo ma-improve sa inyong mind, yourself. Second question. Why is psychology important in daily life?
Why is psychology important in daily life? So, psychology is important in daily life. Okay, if sanay nila magamit yung kasagaran sa mental. Sa mental na ito, magamit yung kakadaan daw. Mental, like sa mga choices, sa mga inyong mga pagpunta, diba? If, why psychology? If di ka kahibaw, kung ano kahibaw sa psychology, is, di po ka kahibaw sa psychology.
So, that's correct, guys. We need to understand ourselves man para kanang makasabot pa if we're mentally okay or emotionally or really or cognitively okay kay kana psychology is sakto mo ka you did that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Salamat. Thank you.